Today I'll walk you through how to create and use epics in Jira, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up epics to organize your projects effectively, so you can streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. Let's get started. First, open your Jira dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your central hub for managing projects. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same. Now, look for the plus sign labeled Create in the top navigation bar. This button is your gateway to adding new elements to your project. Click on it and take a moment to appreciate the options that appear. Next, you'll need to select your project from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial because it ensures that your epic is tied to the correct project. Once you've made your selection, let's move on to the next step. Set the issue type to epic. This is like choosing the right category for a book. It helps you define the scope of your work. After selecting epic, you'll be prompted to enter an epic name or summary. This should be a concise title that describes the large body of work you're planning. For example, you might use titles like Mobile App Redesign or User Authentication version 2. Now, let's add a brief description. This is where you can explain the goal or criteria for completing the epic. Think of it as the mission statement for your project. It should provide clarity to your team about what needs to be accomplished. Finally, once you have everything filled out, click Create. This action solidifies your epic in Jira, allowing you to track progress and manage tasks effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully created an epic in Jira. Remember, using epics is like having a roadmap for your project. It helps keep everything organized and ensures that everyone is on the same page. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.